name is Anna Sensio. I'm head of design at Dassault Systèmes. Dassault Systèmes is a leading 3D software company. We are using a virtual universe to help innovators, makers, to design their dreams with our 3D experience platform. Here we are in Milan for the third edition of Design in the Age of Experience, showcasing 3 designers who are tackling air pollution.
In collaboration with Superflux, we're presenting our installation Atmospheric Disturbances. A few weeks ago, I took a walk through Milan, recorded air pollution data from that walk, and thought about new ways to visualize and sonify this data in a much more spatial way. 3 different pollutants we're looking at is PM 2.5, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen dioxide. The room is filled with smoke or a water-based haze, which picks up the light of projectors, which are projecting images onto both walls. The light, as it passes through the haze, constructs real-feeling 3D shapes in the air, which are themselves expanding and contracting in time with the data. So it's a way of feeling your way through this data set.
Kengo Kuma Architects is presenting the installation called Breathing. This installation made from a special material called breath, and this fabric is cleaning up the air pollution.
The installation can absorb pollution of 90,000 cars in a year. Origami is a very smart technology, I think. Origami can create the diversity of shapes, and also the process is very easy. So what we did is to creating the pleats to make the surface as maximum as possible, and also to create some kind of movement to make space dynamic. It is a soft architecture. As in 20th century, the architecture was very hard, heavy, solid. But this kind of soft architecture can create a new type of harmony.
We're showing here a SmogFree project, which is basically a campaign for clean air. The SmogFree Tower, which sucks up polluted air and creates clean air parks in Asia, but also in Europe. And of course the SmogFree Ring from the collected smog particles. And by sharing a ring, you donate 1,000 cubic meter of clean air. What we're also showing at the exhibition is the actual SolidWorks file of the SmogFree Tower. People can come, zoom in, take photos. If they want to, they can copy it. But please, if you copy it, make it better, not bad. A lot of the global challenges we are in, the rising sea level, our CO2 emissions, the air pollution, in a way is a sign of bad design. So we can do 2 things. We can sort of hide, cry in a room and blame somebody else. Or we can say, well, we created the situation, let's design, let's engineer a way out of it.